Hello everyone, my name is Akash Harikumar and this is my tutorial 2 Codeforces problem, a required reminder. So while reading the question, I have arrived at the following conclusions. I have to input 3 numbers from the user, that is x, y and n, and I have to find the value of k such that, the maximum value of k such that k modulus x is equal to y, and then I have to answer for t independent cases. So an idea that I've got is to use the closest number to n divisible by x, which I've called c and dx here. And there are 2 possible outcomes from this. If c and dx plus y is less than or equal to n, then that would be my required answer. My required answer would be c and dx plus y. And suppose it is greater than n, then my required answer would be c and dx minus the absolute value of y minus x. The way I've arrived at this conclusion is with the help of an example or multiple examples, but I've shown one here. Here the value of c and dx is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and since 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 is greater than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have to go for the else case. Now through the observations here, we can conclude that, or I arrived at the conclusion that our answer would be c and dx minus the absolute value of y minus x. So this is how I arrived at it. So let's code it out. So I've created a small template here in VS Code that shows that with the required header files. So we'll start coding. So I've put the number of test cases as long int and scanf. Sorry for that. So now I'll do the same here. I'll do long int x comma y comma n and c and dx. So here c and I have to take the values from the user as well. It should be ampersand x, ampersand y and ampersand n. So now c and dx would be the floor of n divided by x multiplied by x. That would be c and dx. Since it's integer division, c and dx would be there is no need for floor division as it's an integer division and we will only get integers, but I like to stay on the safe side, so I'm going ahead with floor division. So I have to check for 2 conditions here. I have to check for c and dx plus y less than or equal to n. If that is the case, then we can simply print c and dx plus y. Now the else condition would be, printing c and dx minus absolute value of y minus x. Also we have to give slash in here so that the output gets printed on a new line, as that is what is required by Codeforces. So this would be the code. So now we have to test the code for if there is any issue with it. So I'll just take a test case from Codeforces. I'll just take only one input here, 7 5 1 2 3 4 5, and that is the required answer. So before submitting into Codeforces, I'll check for multiple test cases and then I'll submit into Codeforces. So I've tested out a few test cases and they all turned out to be fine. So now we'll submit our code into Codeforces. So this is the Codeforce website. So I'll just choose my file and I'll submit it. So as you can see, my code got accepted. So thank you for watching. Thank you.